Hey, it's your boy CryptoX back with another video. And in this video, we're going to talk about how you can earn money from Binance, especially the launchpad. Okay, so this is launchpad that not many people know about. I want to talk a little bit about it today, and I'll show you how much you can earn potentially with this launchpad. So before we go there, I just want to draw the winner of the 100 Tron. So the 100 Tron, the code word was vigilant, and I noticed I got quite a few comments, so thanks everyone for commenting. But I also saw a lot of people just like copied the other previous person. Like for example, this one here, they just basically copied. They didn't watch the video, so that they're not going to put the code word, so they won't be eligible. You got to put the Tron. You got to put the code word and the Tron wallet. So anyway, let's just go to the YouTube picker and let's just pick a winner. Okay, enter the URL, filter duplicates. IOTAS Imtoji. However, I need to check whether he's actually left the right code word. Okay, so he just commented. So, and we have got James. So there it is. There, James did comment, and he did put the right comment and the Tron wallet. So congratulations, James. I'll send you the 100 Tron in a second. Okay, so Binance. If you're not familiar with Binance or you haven't got an account, I recommend you get an account. If you want to join, there's a link below. That is my affiliate link. It'll help support the channel. If not, just go to Binance.com. Now, the way this works is you can earn this free coins. See these new tokens here? Binance has got this launchpad, right? And basically it's IEOs or initial exchange offerings that come on Binance, and they can basically leverage Binance's customer base and sell the tokens like really easily. A certain amount of these tokens, certain percentage of these launchpad projects will have Binance gives away free tokens. So it's a win-win for the project, and it's a win-win for Binance and their customers. How this works is, if you want to get the free tokens, all you need to do is just go to your wallet and go spot wallet, and then deposit your coins. So I would deposit BNB or BUSD. You can also deposit other coins. I'll show you how that works in a second. So to get to the launchpad, you just hover over this and you go down to launchpad. And these are the new launchpad projects. So they've already had Bella, they've already had Wing, and they had Flamingo recently. You can still actually stake Flamingo. It's about 47% progress. This Venus, this one seems to be a pretty good one to stake because there's only 30 million tokens, and this Alpha Finance is the latest one. Okay, you can stake it. All you need to do is just read this. It says stake BUSD and earn Flamingo. This one here is BNB. Okay, so this one here is Venus. BUSD, you earn XVS, which is the Venus token. This one here, you can stake SXP and earn Venus. So this is the one I staked. Let's just go and have a look at that. So this is the one I put 100 XRP, or bought for about $1.30, and I've got 2.3417 Venus tokens. So if we just go and have a look, I made about $5.45, and these tokens cost me about $130. I started on the Venus, that one there, on the 29th. It's now the 11th. So basically 12 days. I've made $5.50 about, and cost me about $130. So if we look at the, by the time we get to like 30 days, I should earn around about maybe about six of these. I do like this one a little bit more because it's only a total supply of 30 million. So it's only got a relatively small supply, and the testnet goes live next week. So you're about to stake this and earn Venus. So yeah, I should make around about the annual yield here. That's the annual yield there. So yeah, it's not too bad considering I just had to buy my tokens and then just come over and stake them on this launchpad. They've also got other ones here as well. Okay, you can stake your BNB, your band. If you got band tokens, you can come in and stake that, and you can earn alpha. So as you can see, a lot of people are staking this stuff because they want to get the rewards. Because these rewards, once they run out, that's it. You won't get any more rewards. So the farming period is 30 days. Most of these go for 30 days. As these new projects come along, and they come in the launchpad, you can actually earn these projects, earn the token by just staking your BNB, BUSD, whatever tokens that they allow to be staked. So what they're trying to do is they're trying to lock up the supply, and by locking up the supply, hopefully it'll increase the price. See, if you look at, there's basically 42 million SXP being staked here. And SXP, if we go and have a look at the total supply of SXP, total supply is 289 million. So basically you're looking at about a sixth of the total supply is actually being staked right now. That's why they do it. Let's just go and have a look at BNB, how much that is staked. There's 9 million BNB being staked. And I think there's 179 million BNB in circulation. So it's a kickback for Binance. It's a win for you as well. Now Binance have got they call a SAFU account, or a SAFU fund, pool fund, and basically if they get hacked, they'll pull the money out of that fund to repay anyone that loses funds. Binance has been hacked before, so this is probably the biggest risk with leaving your tokens on a centralized exchange like Binance. It could get hacked, but they do have the insurance there with the SAFU pool. They use that money to reimburse if they do get hacked. They have got pretty good security now. They did get hacked once earlier, but they're probably one of the safest exchanges, if any. So that's the risk you take. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. Another way to earn passive income, you just have to know the risks, and the more obviously you stake, the more you'll earn. And it's just another way of just earning from your BNB that you've already got in Binance. And Binance BNB, I recommend. It's a really good coin to hold long term anyway. Don't forget to leave your comments below and let me know if you're staking on Launchpad at all. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.